So today, I'm just going to go over something we do a lot. I'm emphasizing the foot-hip relationship in every single move. So let's get to the details. Okay, so when I'm standing, if I go into standing, I'm going to put my heels, pebbles. I'm going to turn my heels just out a little. Then, after I've turned my heels out, I'm going to open up my toe, big toe about an inch. That's it. Then, I'm going to plant my big toe. That does not mean crunch. I'm not crunching my toes. It's like I would be pressing my finger down, not crunching my finger. Plant my big toe connects me to the inner heel and inner leg. Okay? I plant my big toe. I'm going to make sure my weight's not forward. I shift my weight back and I make sure I really turn my upper thigh out. Not at the knee. Upper thigh. Then you don't have to bend your knees as much to bend. You're more stable. You don't have to bend, and then that's creating more tension in your knees and hips. So get this. So whatever we're doing, going into butt up the wall, if my feet are further apart, I pick my heels up and put them out. Okay, once I put them out, I turn my toes slightly out on each side. I press my toe down. I turn my thighs out. Then I begin to shift back into butt up the wall. I can bend my knees if I want, but I don't have to. That's right. Pebbles said, see you Saturday, see you Tuesday, see you later.